It's raining, so they picked us up in a buggy with a little rain shield. I like it.
Good morning, day 4.
In the Maldives.
We're up early. It's 8:30 and we
8:20.
8:20 something, and we're heading to our spa.
Yes, we are doing the champagne toast. So we're gonna have a massage, a body wrap, a foot treatment, and then a rose petal bath. So I am totally looking forward to this treatment. Heard nothing but great things about it. So looking forward to a little R&R with you. Thank you. Good morning to you. Jesus be hearing prayers, you know. Trying to fix my pony so I don't waste no time when we go in there. Need the full 2 hours that we paid for.
Will you be my leading lady? I wanna coach you and get a little maybe. In the meantime,
It's getting ready to go.
Ready to go where?
Well, to change into our robes
Yes.
and our disposable underwear. Alright, that'll be it for.
The underwear that Leslie were so excited for don't fit. So he has to wear his own boxers.
Let me show you. This is what did not fit on
These
my
are
butt.
like little boys. Yeah. These are like for little boys or something.
Yeah. And we out here.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark in the frame. You're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm the pop. Fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh.
Look what they have prepared.
My dreams, you the prince, and I'm the pop. Fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh. Got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me. You're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You tugging more and more. I just think we ever be short. Lately I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down.
So it is lunchtime and we're going to Crust and Craft.
Crust and Craft. So there's 2 lunch spots at the resort. Crust and Craft and then Alba, which is open for all 3 meals. Crust and Craft is apparently the most affordable place to eat at the resort. And from all the reviews I read, the pizza is delicious, and so is lobster burger. So today we're getting some pizza, and hopefully before we leave, we can come back and try the lobster burger.
Can't wait.
Let's go.
Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You tugging more and more. I just think we ever be short. Lately I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Never wanna drown.
Why?
Because fresh from her random jog. Pizza's here. Someone clearly doesn't like crust, but someone else does.
Rescue me. Let me know what you want from me. Open up, let me in and see, boy. I know where I wanna be.
So instead of getting a second pizza, we decided to come to, what's this place? Alba.
Alba.
Which is like right, not even across the street, just right here. And try their fettuccine bolognese. You know, try, get a little variety of lunches. But first we're gonna have some bread and olive oil. And if you know me, you know I am obsessed with bread and olive oil, so. brought us some complimentary mocktails, which is perfect for us.
Yes, they smell really good too.
I think I've mentioned this to you guys already, but I really like al dente pasta, and this is al dente. It is. I didn't even ask for it, so I feel like this meal was just meant for me. And they brought this drink out. Didn't even ask for it. I was thirsty. It's like perfect timing. It smells good. It tastes good.
Safe to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out, to some iceberg, you'll be.
Oh, this is nice. Oh.
Still, more nice is inside. When you go to the bus stop,
What'd you say?
the bus stop.
Oh. And Martina, step back.
Cute.
You know, this is from the leaves of the tree. This letter.
Oh wow.
This is really nice. It's like the perfectly shaped heart. Do our spa. Well, we're doing our spa replacement or whatever you want to call it.
So yesterday, you guys know, as a part of our experience, we had a massage, a body wrap, a foot treatment, and a rose petal bubble bath that we got winded out of, rained out of. So they're letting us redo the bath part today. So that's what we're gonna go do. Really excited to check it out, but also because apparently it's very cold, so we'll see. So that was amazing, and now we're going to the sauna. There's a separate one for men and women, so I get some solo dolo time. No one's in here, otherwise I would not be able to show this, obviously, for privacy reasons. And then go to the sauna. I actually am a huge fan of the sauna. So we were getting dressed to go create some content for Instagram, but it started raining. So we're going to go have lunch. We have not eaten yet, besides some Chex Mix and Skinny Pop, and it's 2 o'clock. See you at Alba. You were here yesterday, so thank you.
So Martina's been talking about how she wants to have a salad, and so we're finally having the salad. And I guess she wants to mention something about.
Oh my God. All I said was I'm a proud, regular bowel movement person every day, a few times a day. And it has not been the same here. So I'm hopeful that this salad will help me return to my regularity bowel movements. Regular bowel movements.
Yes, I'm hoping for the same for her. So we're about to have is it our first salad?
We've had like little side salads, but nothing like significant.
This is our first salad as a meal. So, well, this is actually still a side salad, but we're having a full salad for a side salad. Anyway, here we're on a quest to back to regularity. On a quest to back to being Martina being regular.
This is the lobster burger. Thank you.
So sorry, you say. Of course, I had to get the same thing from yesterday. Al dente. What up?
I like that.
You like it? Is it tasty?
We got some new jewelry. Leslie, where's yours? We got some new jewelry.
Forgot to film it, but our friend Hussy,
At Alba. Gave it to us.
no, his name wasn't Albert.
I said at Alba.
Oh,
So we got some new jewelry.
he wanted us to, go with some parting gifts,
Yeah.
something Maldivian to take home with us.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
So yeah, thank you guys. You guys are the best. We appreciate it.
Are you talking to Hussy right now?
I'm talking to yes, talk to him right now.
Well, if you ever see this, we are very grateful for
Let me see it.
our jewelry. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So now we are headed to make some content. We have not really made any. Well, we've made some content for Instagram, but not a whole lot. And that's what we're off to do. Hopefully we get some good reels and photographs and all that good stuff. Our content creation was cut short because it's now raining. You see it. Leslie, let's talk about how disappointed you are right now.
I don't want to talk about how people what was you want?
Look, because this is the life of a content creator. Look, the sun might be coming back out. So even though this isn't a sponsored trip, it's our anniversary trip. We still wanted to create some nice content, It's a beautiful island, a beautiful place. But the weather is just not cooperating at all. And it's a little bit frustrating. Okay, a lot frustrating. It's like, how they say with new moms and new parents, you have to sleep when the baby sleeps? It's kind of like that in the Maldives. If you want to do anything when the sun is out, don't just wait till your convenient time. As soon as the sun is out, run and do it, because it might go away or might not be there later. Yeah. It's about to pour down. I told Leslie I wanted to dance in the rain, so maybe we'll do that.
Someone told you think time that I trust you, I let you true. Got me questioning what used to be out of reach.
So just as I suspected, we got caught in the rain, as you saw.
We couldn't even finish riding the bikes. I couldn't see anymore, so I had to walk. Why did you have to walk?
I was walking because I wanted to be safe. I didn't want to follow the edge because I can't swim. I just can't swim, but I just wanted to be safe. I'm a very risk-averse person. So, anyways, right now it's no longer raining, per usual, with this crazy multiple personality disorder, red weather. Just sometimes it wants to be rainy, sometimes it doesn't. And the thing that sucks is that the weather apps and stuff don't pick it up. They're like, it's gonna be sunny. My watch right now has like sunny every hour. It's had sunny every hour.
The good news is I wanted to dance in the rain, and we just danced in the rain.
We danced in the rain.
So you gotta make the most of every situation.
We get to cross that off and live to tell another tale. So since the weather was not acting right, we are pivoting to our next set of pictures or content we're trying to create. We have this blanket. This blanket and pillow will soon be on those nets right out there. And we're trying to capture a little sunset moment right out here. We have an Abba come out to help us to film this. Hopefully it turns out okay. I'm in my whites. Martina will be changing into her whites very soon because it is very close to 6:30, close to sunset. I mean, ain't nobody got time for all this time wasting. So, well, I guess if you guys see pictures after this, it turned out. If not, you probably missed it.
Oh my God.
Look who got changed in time.
Guys, I have wanted to have this shot in this moment for forever. Like being on this camera in the Maldives has been like encrusted into my mind, and now I'm finally here. Like,
I'm happy for her. So,
we finally got some pictures here, right?
yes, after being here for, I don't know, 5 days, 4 days.
Well, we weren't trying.
We weren't trying. But big shout out to Alba for making these pictures happen and the videos. So we finally got some pictures and videos that we are happy with. Especially after the way this day started off. It was not.
This day was like a heart. What do you call it? Where you keep like pulling in and out. Well, basically, we woke up and the sun was shining, and then it started raining, and then the sun started shining again, and then it started raining and it got cloudy. Like literally, that happened like 3 or 4 times.
Yeah, we thought today would be a perfect day to get like 6 hours worth of content, and I mean, I'm just glad that it started to act right during sunset. And look at these clouds. Okay, one second.
But this time we are here for dinner, our very first time having dinner here, and this means now we've had dinner at all the restaurants, and I like this outdoor vibe. You can also eat inside, but like we're out here, we are in the sand, and this is I'm feeling it.
I'm not exactly sure what this is, but he assured us that's not dairy on top. It's garlic something, and it's some kind of vegetables. So we just got back from dinner, about to call it a night, but look at this surprise that they gave us. Another happy anniversary surprise with a little letter. Oh, these people are so sweet. And more letters with flowers, or flowers cut into letters. The S is a little different, but that's cool. I like it.
It's actually for both of us.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Today we actually don't have a lot planned for today. Light agenda today. Unlike other days, we don't have any actual activities, so we're kind of free to do whatever we want. It's the second to last day, or actually it's like the last full day here at St. Regis, and then we move over to another hotel. But we're gonna try and enjoy this as much as we can. The clouds are kind of acting right at the moment. So we'll see. I was seeing little gray clouds kind of form, gray clouds forming, and so I was getting a little nervous, but I think it's kind of, whatever the word is, dissipating. I don't know. Clearing up. So we'll see what ends up happening, because it can change any moment. So, all right.
Cheers. See you at breakfast, maybe.
Yes, do breakfast, then we're gonna take some
Maybe.
pictures, or take pictures and do breakfast, one or the other. But we'll see based off the weather. So you see, these clouds were gray, or grayer before. Now they're kind of lightening up. So hopefully they stay like that. But as you can see, you just never know. There were no clouds earlier. And just like that, minutes later, it is all clear.
This is an emotional roller coaster, like seriously. Emotional roller coaster. Bum 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 bum. Yeah.
We do not own the copyrights. Are they feeding? I think these are sharks, right?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Remember, they said that they saw a bunch of sharks, but they're harmless or something.
Just got some frozen grapes. I put Leslie onto these, like 2 months ago? Ago? Now he's obsessed. So it's really, I never had someone offer them to me.
Yeah, I'm excited. These are, and it's hot out right now, so perfect timing to our friend. I'm not sure what his name is, but good looking out. How is it?
It's good at the seat, though.
Oh, that's okay. So we're taking a little break from content creating. Decided to get some food. Martina had to go get some sunscreen in her cute little Fendi outfit, and just enjoying the weather.
What's this?
So here we've got refreshing shooters. This will contain cucumber, lime and mint.
Ooh, thank you. I'll get one for him too. You me get yours?
So cheers to a great afternoon at the beach. And what's so cool is so far we've been out here, there's been this frozen grapes. This, I don't know what you call it, shot of something, lime and
Refresher.
And then like water and ice in a cup. It's like, I didn't know they even had that on the island. Cheers.
Every time we've gotten water outside of our room, it's been in a bottle and it's been $14. So it's pretty neat to get some free water.
This was frozen, something slushy thing. I love it.
Ordered some chicken wings.
Slit your wrist, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think?
They just gave us watermelon. The beach is the place to be.
Hello. Good, how are you? Yes, oh yes, definitely. Just, no, because we're not gonna be outside like this moment. So just right there. Can we keep the tray? Yeah. Okay.
Some sweet soya and Szechuan food spread and salted asparagus.
Thank you.
One Red Bull and one ginger ale.
So today's been a really,
It's been a content creation day, and it's YouTube. I like you more than Instagram because it feels like you just coming along. Instagram, you gotta take time and just like run across the beach and do all these things.
you're loud.
Sorry, but YouTube, like, I hope you rock with us because I want to rock with you. You want to rock with YouTube?
I want to rock with you
I want to
too.
rock with you too. I like this better. There's more joy in this process. But anyway.
Just wanted to update you guys. We finished a bunch of content creating in our room, And now
And on the beach.
And on the beach, just all throughout this day. Now we're about to head out to dinner, but before we're stopping at Well Bar for coffee
Dessert. Because we're grown.
There
Now,
we go.
actually, I just want to have the coffee as soon as possible so it can like do what it does, but hopefully not keep me up all night. But this is our last night here, and we haven't had the ultimate game night yet. So really want to do that after dinner. So I was like, let me get the coffee now so I can start working.
So we're off to coffee, dessert.
Yeah, we need to go to another time.
Okay.
You'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out?
Sorry, it's extremely windy out here. We're by the speakers, but here is Martina's dessert, and they gave it to us on the house because we're leaving. Well, because it's our last night, and we're leaving tomorrow. So we're walking to dinner from dessert area, Whale Bar.
So how does it feel to be in the video with the air hockey chair? You want to touch greatness?
So I will admit, Martina was a lot better than I expected. For someone who, what am I trying to say? For someone who
He's a hater. That's just stop. He's a hater. Anyway, it was a good game. You did a good job. You did a good job, but I came out victorious.
So we tied the first game 3-3, and then the second game it was tied with a second left or 2 seconds left. Martina took advantage of my celebration and she ended up winning. We played the best out of 3.
Lesson, don't gloat. Especially when the game's not done. Now, let's see who can win in Scrabble.
I'm not even gonna, no.
Let's see.
Well, we'll see.
It'll be your lucky day. So, we finished up our game night and now we're walking in the pitch black to our run. Had a good day.
Today was a good day.
It was, honestly, it was a little bit stressful with all the content creation, but it was a beautiful day. It was so nice out. Yeah, Leslie left all his food again. I'm happy for him now. Look, we came into another surprise. Got a note. This is from the person who cleaned our room while we were here. Got a note. Decorated, made this cute little guy. And then he gave us 2 eye masks and a scarf. It's our last morning here at the St. Regis. Not gonna cry. So the sad part is it's our last day. The good part is we don't have to leave till 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock.
Got late checkout, which was a blessing.
Yes.
So we don't have to check out of here until 2. Then we do all that checkout stuff officially.
And our seaplane comes at 4.
At 3, and then our seaplane comes at 4 to take us to the next, our next accommodations.
And let me just, it's not gonna be as nice, so don't get your hopes up.
So that was probably the quickest workout I have been part of. We came, we saw.
We did not conquer, but
we saw the gym equipment, and we conquered the fear of being embarrassed of walking out. And we walked out. I think it was like 10 minutes. Is it even?
No, it was like 20 minutes.
Okay, 20 minutes. So look at all the bikes. When we got here, it was only one bike, and then we rode up to make it 3, and now there's just a whole bunch of them. A whole gang of bikes, you know? All right.
I'm doing what I want. Hope you do what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down.
Cheers.
Our last breakfast at the St. Regis. We have another breakfast tomorrow at the other hotel. It's free, so it's almost $160.
Probably won't be the same breakfast, but we are happy to have at least one more night in the Maldives.
Yes. So Leslie's getting in the Indian Ocean for the very first time.
I can't swim, so this is
A big deal.
a big deal. This is what they call doing something out of your comfort zone.
Proud of you.
Okay,
You ready?
I am ready.
You got it.
Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you, only roll like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
it's some me time.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
it's some me time.
You do what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. She been in me.
I'm in the water. Oh gosh, I'm in the water. I am like literally standing on steps. That's okay, because I'm out here.
Like a glimpse from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince and I'm the car. Fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You talking more than one mom. I just think the everything's so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. 'Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you, but can't wait no longer. Tell me how
We did it.
We did it, Joe. I don't feel like I deserve an award for doing that. I think that is I'm not a great swimmer, but I have been snorkeling both in Fiji and Indonesia. I just had the lifeguard or whatever instructor come out with me. So you can do stuff like that even if you aren't a great swimmer. Just didn't set it up this trip.
If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling in too deep. That's okay, just rescue me. Let me know what you want.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
I should probably. Oh, okay. Thank you.